Hello, my name is Cory Suzuki, and this is my submission for CS50w Project 4 Network. The goal of this project is to build a Twitter-like social media site with Python, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS while using Django for the backend. When a user first loads the site, they'll see the landing page. If the user is not logged in, they'll be presented with the option to log in, to register, or to proceed as a visitor. There's also a link to the GitHub repository for the project at the bottom of the page. Before we log in, let me just show you what the site looks like from a visitor's perspective. Visually, there's not much of a difference between how this looks and how it will look in a second once we log in. But visitors won't have the option to like and reply to posts, follow users, or create and edit posts of their own. Now, let's log in. Once we're logged in, we're back on the landing page. This time, we have the option to go to everything, all posts, things we like, the following page, or our own profile. Let's go to the main page and try posting something. Once I hit submit, the post will appear on the page without requiring a refresh. There it is. Also, notice that you don't actually have to press cancel to hide any of the forms on the site. You can just click anywhere on the screen behind the form. While we're here, let me show you how we can edit a post. There will be an option to edit your own posts wherever they appear on the site. And just like creating a post, this is also accomplished using asynchronous JavaScript, updating the database in HTML without the need to reload the entire page. The same is once again true for liking and unliking posts. You'll see the count update instantly when I click on the heart icon to toggle whether or not I like the post. To view someone's profile, just click on the username in any of the cards. When reviewing someone else's profile, there will be a button to let you follow or unfollow that user. You can also click to see all of that person's followers and the people that they're following. And links to those profile pages. The profile page includes all posts made by that user. Notice that some of these are replies to other posts, signified by this arrow instead of the straight arrow. These replies are hidden on the main page, but on the profile page, you'll see everything that user has posted. You can click the username link on a post that you made, or just use the navbar to navigate to your own profile page. Here, you can edit your info, change your password, and view your post history. I read about how to use Django's media URL and media root settings to allow for user-uploaded content. Then I added an image field to my user model, so users can upload their own profile pictures. If a user changes their profile picture, the old one is deleted from storage and replaced with the new file. And if a user doesn't have a profile picture, it'll revert to the default avatar. Now, pagination. In my last project, I implemented pagination using JavaScript. This time, I used Django's built-in paginator class. 10 posts are shown on each page, and as you can see, the controls are dynamic depending on what page we are on. I got pretty sick of scrolling to the bottom to test the pagination controls, so I decided to add a second interface above all the posts. If you were wondering what this was, here. You can expand it or keep it hidden, and your preference is saved in the session storage. The main page lists every top-level post in reverse chronological order. Each post is displayed as a card that includes a link to the user's profile, a timestamp, the like and reply counts, and a reply or edit link, depending on whether it's your post or not. Like I said before, posts that are replies to other posts are not included here. If a post has replies, this expand icon will be visible. I'll show you how that works in just a second. First, the following page. This page looks basically identical to the main page. The only differences are that you can't create a new post from here, and only the posts made by users that you follow will appear here. And these will include replies, just like the profile page. Finally, the post page and replying to posts. The post page will only be available if replies to that post exist. You can click on the expand icon in the top left corner of a card or on the reply count text. On this page, all of the replies are nested below the parent post. You can hover over replies to read them or click on a reply to bring it into focus. I chose not to allow replies to other replies to avoid endless nesting issues, but you can reply to any top level post. And once you make a reply, you'll be redirected to the page for that post. And I think that covers everything. Now on to the final project. Good luck to anyone else taking the class and watching this video.